King the Gold here. I'll show you guys a quick little trick slash hack with the controller. Now with this controller you can get it to change the output. Click on the button and nothing happens, right? Click on the button again, nothing happens. What you want to do is you want to come over to your TV. Click probably on the back side of the TV, and yeah, you click on your option settings until you can find you see how it says PC. So here I'll click on the menu and basically work myself down to the sources and source list, as you guys can see. I made it. You guys can see HD1 component. Work my way down. Sorry, I'm on one hand right now. And there you go.